Yeah, never a dull moment around here. Always something breaking. Plastic. Whole world is made out of plastic today. It's so infuriating. But I guess I can't complain. 16 years last week. This is what is this thing? Sharp. It's a Sharp microwave made in Thailand. So what happened was, woke up this morning to a note that the microwave door doesn't shut. So I yanked that trim piece out of there. Let's see if I can get some light in here. So up inside here, you can see how I Mickey Mouse that little spring in there. There's a little plastic tab that spring's supposed to hook onto, which was pretty dumb. I'm actually so shocked and amazed that it lasted as long as it did. But it was a pretty simple fix. All I did, you see these little metal ribs right here? I just hooked it on there. That's it. Ain't pretty, but it works. Perfect. Just like the day I brought it home from the electronics store, wherever that was. I don't even remember. But now I can have my coffee in the morning. I won't be cranky. So don't throw it away. What was that saying from the 1940s? My brain sucks. Party too much in the 80s. Use it up, wear it out. Make do or do without. That's my motto. See ya.